Hey, today I have made a really beautiful yet simple pasta dish. I have made pasta with a rustic sauce of chickpeas and tomatoes with a lemon and cumin dressing. Takes about 12 minutes to cook. The time it cooks to cook the pasta, that sauce is done. Check out the description to see the method and the ingredients you need. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Check me out on Facebook and Instagram at Mark's Family Cooking. Enjoy this pasta recipe for your dinner. You can have it cold for lunch the following day as well if there's some left over. Serve it with some grated parmesan or cheese on top. Give it a try. I hope you enjoy it and I'll see you again soon. All my ingredients are prepped and ready as per usual. 3 cloves of grated garlic, 1 onion finely sliced, 3 diced large tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of cumin, lemons, 125 ml of olive oil, tin of chickpeas, pasta, parsley. Let's get cooking. On a medium heat, I've got a dry pan and I'm going to add into there my 1 tablespoon of ground cumin. Now what this does is dry roast those spices. By dry roasting it, what you're doing is heating up the oils and releasing the flavour of that spice. So give that a shake around. You can smell, it's really starting to smell lovely already. Just turn the heat down a little bit because I don't want to burn it because otherwise it'll taste bitter. So just give these a stir just to release those flavours, get the aromatic flavour and scent of that cumin going. So all that needs is really half a minute to a minute on that medium heat. So that's been on the heat for a minute. I'm going to turn that heat off. Put it to the side. Also, I've got a pan of boiling water on the go, ready for my pasta. It's now time to start cooking the body of the sauce. So into a pan, I'm going to add half of my olive oil. So I'm adding about 60 ml of olive oil. Going to leave the rest to the side for later. And into that hot oil, I'm going to add my onions and I'm going to fry these for 2 to 3 minutes. So my pasta has been on. I'm actually going to turn that off now because that's cooked, and my onions have been softening for 2 to 3 minutes. They are nice and soft. So into that pan I'm going to add my tomatoes, my 3 garlic cloves and about a handful of chopped parsley leaves. Put that in there. And also going to add in my drained tin of chickpeas. All I'm going to do is just keep stirring this just to heat it through. I don't want to reduce the tomatoes. I just want to warm through the chickpeas, warm through the tomatoes, and you're going to have a really nice rustic sauce. Time to drain my pasta. My chickpeas and tomatoes have now warmed through, so all I'm going to do is add my drained pasta to this and gently toss that through. I'm just going to set it aside while I make the dressing for it. Now time to make the dressing. So I've got that reserved olive oil, so I've got about 60 ml of olive oil. What I'm going to do is add that to a jar. I'm then going to add that roasted or toasted cumin powder to the jar. And put that to the side. And I now need about 60 ml of lemon juice, so I'm just going to get squeezing my lemons into the jug. Now that my lemon juice is measured out, all I'm going to do is tip it into the jar with the olive oil and that cumin powder. Pop the lid on and give it a good shake to emulsify it to make a nice lemon and cumin dressing. That's it, just shake it through. Now I'm going to add my lemon and cumin dressing to our pasta. It's almost given it a bit of a Moroccan feel to it. Season it with plenty of black pepper. Plenty of salt. Stir it all through to coat everything in that seasoning, in that lovely cumin and lemon dressing. I'm going to serve this in bowls with grated cheese on top, and there you have a beautiful rustic pasta dish with chickpeas and tomato and parsley with a cumin and lemon dressing.